Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 27 of Inktober. I do apologize about the lack of light in today's video. Unfortunately, I filmed too late and missed the daylight. So today I'm illustrating Puran Poli, which is an Indian dish specifically from Maharashtra. For reference, I used recipe by Nisha Madhulika and the link for her video is in the description box below. If this is the first of one of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 26 other videos for you, and I have added the playlist at the end of this video and also in the description box. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.